in Kyoto and is considered one of Japan's most refined culinary traditions. One of the must-try dishes in Kyoto is the tofu. The city is famous for its silky, smooth tofu, which is served in various forms, including udofu, which is boiled tofu served with a dipping sauce, a diaborage, which is fried tofu. Diaborage, which is fried tofu. Another Kyoto specialty is the obanzai, a type of home-style cooking that uses locally sourced and seasonal ingredients. The dishes are often served in small portions, allowing you to sample a variety of flavors and textures. Finally, Kyoto is famous for its tea culture, and you cannot leave the city without trying the matcha. Matcha is a type of green tea that is ground into a powder and used in various dishes, such as kes, ice cream, and traditional tea ceremonies. Kes, ice cream, and traditional tea ceremonies. Osaka, home of okonomiyaki. Osaka is the culinary capital of Japan, and it is known for its street food and casual dining scene. The city is famous for its okonomiyaki, a type of savory pancake made with cabbage, noodles, and a variety of toppings, such as meat, seafood, and cheese. Another must-try in Osaka is the takoyaki, which are small, octopus-filled balls of dough, topped with mayonnaise and takoyaki sauce. They are a popular snack food in Osaka and can be found in many street food stalls. Finally, Osaka is also famous for its kushikatsu, which are deep-fried skewers of various meats, vegetables, and seafood. Kushikatsu is often served with a dipping sauce and is a popular dish in Osaka. Izakayas, or casual dining bars. Fukuoka, the home of Hakata ramen. Fukuoka is located on the southern island of Kyushu and is known for its rich food culture. The city is home to the famous Hakata ramen, which is made with a rich, pork-based broth and thin noodles. Noodles are cooked to perfection, and the broth is seasoned with soy sauce and other secret ingredients, creating a uniquely Fukuoka flavor. Noodles are cooked to perfection, and the broth is seasoned with soy sauce and other secret ingredients, creating a uniquely Fukuoka flavor. Another local specialty in Fukuoka is the mentaiko, which is a type of spicy cod roe. It is often served as a topping for rice dishes or as a filling for onigiri or rice balls. Finally, Fukuoka is also known for its yatai, or street food stalls. The yatai are a popular dining option in the city, serving everything from ramen to seafood skewers. They are a great way to sample Fukuoka's rich food culture in a casual and fun environment. But if you can't make it to Japan, don't worry. Many Japanese dishes have become popular all over the world, and you can find Japanese restaurants in almost every major city. Although nothing can come to the authentic taste and experience of trying these dishes in their home regions, it's still worth sampling them wherever you can. To the authentic taste and experience of trying these dishes in their home regions, it's still worth sampling them wherever you can.